Good beautiful morning, guys. Brandon's here. I'm eating real quick before I go to work. Workout. Can you guys see this? I used to have a Toyota Lanier, now I have a Rallier Lanier. So it's about time I bought one. Don't know why I waited so long, but I had a Toyota for like years. I just never like found a reason why I throw it away or whatever. So decided why not. And I also got like a little Mitsubishi shirt. Just this Mitsubishi shirt. Bro, about hit it, pushed it actually. So we gotta get it. Alright guys, we're back from the workout. It was a great workout. Guys, it is hot as crap, guys. I'm surprised you guys haven't melted. I left you guys in here. Oh shoot. Yo, but I love my new Lanier though. It's like Mitsubishi. Ooh. Of course we got, you know, our good tricep pump. It's a push day, so we be getting all sorts of pumps. Alright, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I actually have to go buy my mom some milk because it ran out. And I also need to go buy milk because I need milk for my protein shake. Because is it just me? I know people who drink protein shakes with just water. I can't do that. I drink protein shake with water, I would throw it up. So I have to drink with the milk. Yeah, so let's go guys. Here's the Lancer. I cleaned it, but I already have like trash in there, and then a little bit of trash up. Why isn't it connected? My Bluetooth should be connected. My Bluetooth. Oh, okay, there we go. Should play. Alright, there you go. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, we just got home. I got the stuff that my mom wanted. And guys, it's been raining very little. So today I was gonna try to do the install, but if we can't, we're gonna have to do it tomorrow. But we're gonna try to do the mud flap install today if it doesn't rain. Because this car is gonna look super nice with the mud flaps, dudes. I'm telling you. And then the carbon fiber duckbill and the intercooler pipe. The new intercooler pipe is going in this car soon. Should be here by next week with a duckbill too. Alright, let's go home guys for now and eat breakfast. Alright guys, I'm in my room right now. We're about to get to, we got a box right here. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh yeah guys, we got the box here. And it's open right here. I don't know if my dad did it or not, but let's unbox this real quick. It's a big tall box. And alright, let's get this. Ooh, it looks so nice. I already installed one. If you guys can see my video, I installed this on an Evo X. I stole it on my friend's Brandon Evo X. Alright, but it's not real carbon fiber. It's just the eBay. It says painted carbon fiber. Oh shit, he's scratching it. Oh my god, I'm scratching it. Okay, here we go. Not bad. Doesn't hold that bad. So here it is. Let me show you guys. Guys, it looks amazing, guys. Look at this beautiful carbon fiber right here. Come on. Look at this, guys. Beautiful carbon fiber. It's not real carbon fiber, it's just painted carbon fiber. The only imperfection I saw was I keep banging it on stuff, guys. If I can find it. Oh, there it goes. You guys see it? See that little bump right there? Something big. I mean, I don't care about it, but ooh. And this is how the bottom's gonna look if you guys order this for your Lancer. I don't know if you guys actually care, but this is how it looks. We have to undo the thingy and just stick it on. I gotta buy some more 3M tape because I'm out. But look at it right now. Let's go see how it looks in the car. Alright, we're outside, guys. Let me show you guys how it looks on the Lancer. Here it is. I wish I would have gotten this carbon fiber painted as well. would it look kind of better with this, but let me see. This is a stock duckbill, I guess. So small, look at it compared to this giant thing. Let's see. Just place it on top. I'm obviously not gonna place it on top of this thing, but I mean, I want to see how it would look. Here's big boy. I'm showing Brandon how it's gonna look. Brandon, wait, pick it up for a second. Like, I want you to show them the different size. Like, pick it up like this. Look at this. Look, compared to this little duckbill, compare to this big duckbill. What do you think?
Are you asking me?
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't know.
Pretty nice, right?
Just get a normal.
Oh shoot, it's got like a little scuff right here. Look at that. Dang it! I think I did this in my room. I scuffed it up in my room really bad.
Well, who's gonna notice that though?
Huh?
Who's gonna notice that?
Me, look, wait, look. No, not when I drive, when you look at it. It's a big scuff. God dang it. Ah. I know who banged on the wall. Alright. And then put it down a little bit. Like pretending like it's placed. Like, it will go like this. Just hold it. Not you hold it, man.
Like that.
Huh?
It will not be sticking out that much.
It won't be sticking out that much.
Like
but it will pretty much be like that. Look at that. How aggressive that looks. Look at that. I already did this install in my friend Brandon's Evo X. Looked nice. Alright, there it is, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
Cool. Hopefully it works.
I'm gonna install this probably later on this week. Definitely gonna go buy more tape. And as always, guys, have a good one. No, I gotta go buy some.